Welcome to the Venetian in Las Vegas. I thought this would be a good time to show a few tips on how to do some yoga, restorative yoga, while you're on the road. Sometimes when you're on vacation, you are traveling in a car, on an airplane, maybe walking around a lot, or sitting in meetings all day. So restorative yoga would be a nice way to kind of complement and help with the effects of all of those different things that you're doing. So you're not at home and you don't have any of your normal blankets and bolsters and even your yoga mat. So you have to be a little creative, but I found this round pillow on the bed, which I thought would be nice in a restorative relaxation pose. Found a couple pillows. I'm using a towel on the ground. I'm also going to use a washcloth as an eye pillow. And then I'm using another towel as a neck roll. So my suggestion would be, if you wanted to keep it simple, just to do a restorative relaxation pose. So I have that set up here, where basically you'll just have your towel on the ground, whatever type of maybe round pillow or anything else that might help release your back. And then just getting set up in that pose. Maybe you stay there anywhere from a few minutes to possibly up to 20 minutes, just depending on how long you have and how long you want to stay in that pose. That would be my first suggestion if you were looking to do one pose while you're traveling. My second suggestion would be legs up the wall, or even legs up on a chair. An inversion will be nice in that it'll help reduce that fatigue in your legs, will help that natural pooling of blood in your legs and feet that happens when you're sitting on an airplane or driving a car, sitting in meetings, or walking around a lot. So depending on what is going to work for you, you can just do your legs up the wall like normal, or you can even use a chair, or I have a couch in my room. You could even put your legs on the couch. You'll want to stay in there, just a few minutes, maybe even up to 7 minutes, just in order to really kind of feel the effects of that pose and to get that swelling down in your legs and rejuvenate your legs. Another pose that would be helpful if you did not want to do legs up the wall would be something like a restorative bridge pose. I found 2 pillows that are of similar size, so you can place those just like that, and you can use whatever height pillows is going to feel right for you. You don't want any pinching in your lower back, but basically you'll sit on these pillows and you want your upper kind of shoulders and back to touch the ground. You'll get that nice slight inversion with that pose. You'll also open up your chest to help with your breathing, and you can stay in that pose a few minutes, or maybe even up to, say, 10 minutes for that pose. And then lastly, I thought a forward fold would be nice while you're traveling. I think a way that is pretty accessible to everybody would be to use a chair, if you have one of those in your room, or a desk. And you'll simply just sit on the chair. Make sure your sit bones are firmly planted into the chair, feet flat on the ground. And then you'll just kind of tilt your torso towards the table, stacking your palms, and then placing your forehead on your palms. You'll spend a few moments in that pose, and just to kind of get that kind of inward focus and calming of the nervous system. I hope this was helpful, and using this on any trip that you go on, and trying to be creative in your hotel room. And last but not least, Vegas. Bye.